Hello dear guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your teacher Sakul Islam Ami Hamza, and this is still now a common question. How are you? And in reply you usually tell, I'm fine, I'm okay. Replace it and you should tell, not bad. How are you? Not bad. How are you doing? Not bad. How do you do? Not bad. Yeah. How are you? Yeah, I'm alright. How are you? I'm alright. Is the correct and premium sentence. Replace I'm fine. Just I'm okay, I'm alright, not bad. And the various purposes uses and in this and still now that's why we can speak up and we can increase up in our English speaking like this, not bad. And it's a major and common sentence, not too shabby, not too shabby. Shabby means old or neglected and neglect affected and old affected. Okay, the dictionary meaning is neglected. So let's ends up and replace it, I'm fine. You have to tell, I'm okay, I'm alright, not too shabby, not bad. How are you? Not bad. How are you doing? I'm still now okay.